Guys, so I wanted to talk about the reason why ECOMI token and the VEVE collectibles are destined to go insanely high in this upcoming 2024-2025 crypto bull run. So first of all, most people know about that BitForex exchange situation where people couldn't and they still can't access their ECOMI tokens and whatever crypto coins or tokens they have on that exchange. In my opinion, people will never get back those ECOMI tokens that were stuck on the BitForex exchange, and that's basically the main reason why I personally don't hold any crypto on centralized exchanges, because this is what happens: not your keys, not your coins, not your keys, not your ECOMI token. But the bullish part about this situation, about this BitForex accident, is what happened next. And that is, look how fast the ECOMI VEVE team got the ECOMI token listed on the new exchange BitGet. And in my opinion, this only shows that there are no actual problems with the ECOMI token being listed on big exchanges. I think the main reason why the VEVE ECOMI team is moving slow is because they are not rushing things and they are waiting for the main crypto euphoria, for the main bull market, because we are not yet in the crypto euphoria, and especially in the NFT euphoria, because if you look at this chart, you can see that NFT volume is still insanely low. The search volume on Google is basically the lowest as it has been ever. Now look at the comparison with the Google search on meme coins, on crypto, on Bitcoin, on airdrops. And here you can see why the NFT wave haven't yet came back. In my opinion, if Bitcoin stays above the 70,000 mark, I think the NFTs will slowly come back. But if Bitcoin goes down below the previous all-time high, which is 69,000, I think there will be a quite huge dip in the markets for the short term, because I still think that 2024 will be bullish. Yeah, basically the fact that ECOMI token got listed so fast after the BitForex situation is bullish in my opinion. And as it happened in 2021, most people may not remember this, but the ECOMI token went parabolic first. Always remember, the crypto tokens go first and the NFTs come second. This is why I think we are still a few months away from the NFT pump, from the NFT comeback, but it will definitely come because all the big brands will start promoting on their social media. You understand that VEVE has all of the biggest brands and they will have a insane push on the social media. Another reason why VEVE NFTs will go insanely high in this upcoming NFT bull run is if you look at the Ethereum fees, the single transaction right now costs around $50 minimum. And if the last Ethereum all-time high was 4,500, something like that, this time it will be around 8,000 or even 10,000. Gas fees will double, so it means that the single transaction gas fee will be around $100. Another reason why I'm still super bullish on the VEVE collectibles and ECOMI token is because the community still is insane. The influencers are huge, and in my opinion, the community will grow 100 times bigger in this upcoming bull run, because when the major brands start posting on Instagram, tweeting, or posting on Facebook about the VEVE upcoming drops from their brand, people, the fan bases of these different brands will go insane. And looking at the fact that there are basically zero gas fee, only the 2% or 5% fees on the VEVE market, will not stop people buying VEVE grails like Batmans, Supermans, or Spidermans. Looking at the fact that ECOMI token has many incentives for holding, I think the ECOMI token will go much higher than it went in the previous bull run. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT, or airdrop alpha, press that subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any important NFT alpha, crypto alpha, or any upcoming airdrops. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.